Alright, welcome to the main event. Tonight's bout, arm antagonists. In this corner, hailing from the anterior compartment, masters of the curl, the flexor crew. And in the opposite corner from the posterior powerhouse, champions of the push, the extensor pulse. Let's get ready to rumble with knowledge.
Yo, flexor crew taking the stage. Interior, biceps, brachii has two heads. Short head from coracoid, that's the quick connection. Long head from supraglenoid, tubercle, pure perfection.
You walk shorter to a street corner, you ride longer on a superhighway. Memorization, insertion, radial tuberosity, basipular ponderosis.
For solid reflection, action, supinate that forearm, then flex with affection. Muscular cutaneous nerve, C5, C6, C7, our prime direction. We bring that arm up, check the definition. Don't sleep on brachialis, deep the elbows, true king. Anterior, distal, humerus, the power we bring. To ulnus, coronor, process and tuberosity we cling. Perm flexor, any position, hear the forearm sing.
Musculocutaneous innervation, some radials aim. C7 for a bit of its lateral thing.
Pure flexion power, that's the bell we ring. And coracobrachialis, small but so able from coracoid process, keeping the shoulder stable. Midshaft humerus medially on anatomy's table. Flexes, adducts the arm, makes the joint less labial.
Musculocutaneous nerve pierces, it's a known label.
C5, C6, C7 functionally enabled. Interior alliance, always ready and stable. Hold up, extensors in the house, make way for the winner. Posterior compartment, watch the flexors cower. Triceps, brachii, three heads, blooming like a flower. Long head from infraglenoid, tubercle, ivory tower. Lateral head, posterior humerus, superior to the radial grooves bower. Medial head, posterior humerus, inferior body in the flexor triple. All to the ocrine of the ulna, we get never tired. Radial nerve, C6, 7, 8, makes opponent shire. Chief extensor of the forearm, this our finest hour. Extend that elbow, make it straight, feel the master power. Triceps reflex, that C7 makes you jump, no need to scowl. And little anquinius, don't you underrate. From lateral epicondyle, ceiling flexor fade to white cernon's lateral side and ulna's posterior state. Assist the triceps, stabilizes, articulates.
Radial nerve, C7, C8, T1 seal in the gate. Abducts that ulna during pronation, ain't no debate.
We the kings of extension, ain't up for translate.
Flexors bend, extensors send, the arms are dynamic arm.
Agonist, antagonist, each playing a vital part.
Cutaneous for the front, radial for the back of the chart.
Elbow joint in motion, a biomechanic with smart.
Balance of power right from the very start.
OIAI plus N, learn it by heart. We initiate the motion, the curl and the lift, bringing things closer, that's the flexor gift. Biceps pop in the aesthetic shift through musculocutaneous pathways, energies drift. Coracobrachialis guides so the arm on the drift. Brachialis the workhorse's power, never a rift. When we contract, the angle gets magnificently swift. Resistance is futile, your argument is miffed. But without extension, you're stuck in a pose. Can't reach, can't push, everybody knows. Triceps engaged, how did the energy flow? Straightening out, striking decisive blows. Antagonists assist as the elbow goes into full extension, overcoming all foes. Radial nerve conducts the power it bestows. For every flexion and extension grows. Flexors bend, extensors send, the arms are dynamic. Agonist, antagonist, each playing a vital part.
Cutaneous for the front, radial for the back of the chart.
Elbow joint in motion, a biomechanic, just smart.
Balance of power right from the very start.
OIAI plus N, learn it by heart. And there you have it, a clinical display of agonist antagonist action. Flexors and extensors working together through opposition. Remember they're OIAAN. Next up, the forearm. Get ready for the grip and twist crew. Class dismissed.